In 2024, mastering YouTube SEO is essential for channel growth and success. Optimizing videos ensures they reach the right audience, boosting views, engagement, and overall visibility. The process begins with effective keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify high traffic and relevant keywords. Crafting compelling titles with these keywords improves search rankings, and well-written descriptions further enhance discoverability by summarizing content and incorporating key terms. Thumbnails play a significant role in attracting viewers. Bold text, vibrant colors, and clear imagery create a strong visual impact that drives clicks. Engaging content is vital for retaining viewers and improving watch time. Adding a call to action, CTA, like subscribe for more or comment your thoughts, and strengthens community engagement. Creating playlists and categorizing videos helps structure content, boosting SEO, and promoting binge watching. Sharing videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter extends reach and drives traffic to your channel. Consistency is key. Regular uploads maintain audience interest and improve rankings. Finally,